Have you ever gone to access a file on your external hard drive or a thumb drive only to be met with a frustrating message like drive is corrupted or file not found? Or maybe the drive doesn't even show up at all. It's a scary moment, especially when you're a small business owner or a creator with important files on that device. The good news is, in many cases, your files aren't gone forever. In this video, I'm going to show you a few ways to recover your data, starting with a powerful paid tool and then moving on to a free alternative. We'll even look at a solution for when Windows can't even see the drive. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll steal your RAM. When a drive gets corrupted, it usually means the file system, the part that tells the computer where your files are located, is damaged. The actual files are often still there, just hidden. Professional data recovery software is designed to scan the physical drive and rebuild that file system virtually so you can copy your files to a new location. I use a program called Get Data Back, but there are many great options out there. The reason I like this one is it's extremely thorough and works with all sorts of file systems, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. The process is pretty straightforward. When you open the program, you'll see a list of all your drives. Click on the drive that you want to recover files from, and it will analyze the drive. Next, you'll find the partition that looks like it has all your files on it. If you notice, this one has 930 gig. That's the biggest one there. That will generally be where your files are at. This can take some time, so be patient. And just like that, there's all your files. Next, all you have to do is right-click on the folder or files you want to recover and select Copy. You'll choose a location to copy your files to. Make sure you copy these files to a different drive so you don't overwrite the existing data. Click OK, and the program will start to save your files for you. If you don't want to pay for software, there's a free option called Test Disk. This is a command line program, but it's actually really easy to use. When you open the program, you'll get this screen here. All you have to do is use your arrows and enter key to recover your files. When you find the files you want to recover, just select C to copy the selected files. Then you'll select a location to save your files. Again, make sure you copy them to a different drive. Before I continue, I want to tell you about the guides I've created to help you get the most from your tech. Go check them out after the video. The link is in the description. So what if your computer doesn't even register the drive? You plug your drive in and you hear the Windows sound, but nothing shows up in File Explorer or Disk Management. This often means Windows is having trouble with the drive's partition table or something at a very low level. This is where Linux can be a great tool. The beauty of Linux is that you can run it directly from a USB drive without installing it on your computer. It's called a live USB. You just plug it in, boot from it, and you're running a completely different operating system that has its own way of communicating with hardware. Many times, a drive that's invisible to Windows will show up just fine in a Linux file manager. Once you're in the Linux environment, you'll see the external drive listed just like any other drive. You can click on it, and if it's readable, you'll be able to copy your files over to another drive. This works because Linux is often more robust and less picky about file system errors than Windows is. It's a simple, free solution that can get you out of a tough spot without having to do a full-blown software recovery. So before you panic and assume your data is gone, remember these options. Start with free software like Test Disk if you're on a budget. For more complex issues, or if you need to preserve your folder structure, a professional tool like Get Data Back is an excellent investment. And if the drive isn't even showing up, Don't forget the power of a Linux Live USB. Let me know in the comments if you've used any of these options. I hope this helps you get your files back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.